Let's go. I'm sorry for wait, and I haven't made videos in a long time. So let's do it. Where's my house? Okay, yeah. So, what are we gonna do now? Come on, we gotta go to sleep. But why we gotta go to sleep? Like, can't we just go over? Oh, the baby's sleeping. And she's sleeping too? She's so adorable. I'm sleeping. I'm sleeping my... She's sleeping in her own bed. But guys, come on, let me go to sleep. Fine. I'm looking. Everyone's asleep. Nice. What am I supposed to do now? I'm serious. I'm so sorry for the noise.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12.
Girl, what are you doing? I was just down here. Wait, how when? Don't ask it. I was just down here for some reason. I know. So, all these dishes, I don't understand what anyone does that. I'm really hungry now. Could you make something good? Take an ice pop. Yeah, sure. I'll make my YouTube channel, okay? So good. Bye. For too long, I made a couple of leaves for you stay. You forgot me for you. The beautiful view out here. Let's go inside. See this? This is kind of thing like 2 in the morning. Sorry guys. Nobody's awake. Good morning. Not good morning, it's the afternoon. Come on. La 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 la. Hey. Good morning, guys. Good afternoon. So sorry about this. Come on. Come on. Go play in the beach while we make breakfast. Mommy said not to put the water so safe, but let's actually see what is in the water. It's late afternoon. Look, it's left since the morning. Oh my gosh, I can destroy it. I can destroy it. I'm so angry. I'm sorry for guys. I'm so sorry. I can't breathe. Help me! Help me! Really? I told you not to go because I was supposed to. Now, there you go. You're safe and sound. You better not do that again. Now you ready to go cook breakfast? Yeah. Of course I am. Come on, let's go. Where's the baby? I'm bored of this thing. Froze on that, and I'm gonna go find some treasure now. Well, just a bottle, but it looks like it's already empty. What's this? Wait. I gotta close the door. Pretend it's some ground. Blue key. Just to use this. Oh, wow. It's so comfortable here. Why is it so comfortable? Now, let's organize everything here. This is cramped. Even the key. No one's allowed to lock this but me. I'm going to close the doors. Wait, I gotta do something. Oh, come on. It's not that serious. We can make more food. It's literally almost dinner time. Anything else but dinner. Oh, you're so annoying. Let's go check out the kid. No, I think she's fine. No, I'm checking her no matter what. Honey, it's not in the ocean, isn't she? You gotta go inside here. Shut. Where's the key? The key was already found. What? What is happening? How can I not open this thing? Try and open the door. Come on, how do I open this? Hello? Anyone? Do you know how to open it? Is this... Whoa, what's that for? We're just gonna keep that closed. Wait, glasses. Come on. Someone let me in if you're in there. Come on. It's not already being found. The key has been found. Do not try to not unlock it again. You might lock it. Ugh. Come on. Come on. Over there says she has to open this door. So that one, because that's where she's like sleeping. Why is there a pun in there? Okay, I'm gonna open the other one. Wow, looks like a space room. It's so nice. Are we gonna be stuck here forever, hun? Huh? I told you not to lock the doors. Girl, what is it? Girl, what is it? Mom's trying to look for me. What did you do this time? I found you, little Timmy. You will pay for not listening to me. Stop. You really gonna hurt like a child like that? It's already dark. Oh, I'm just gonna go to bed. Now you follow me. He's been sleeping for a couple of days and moon comes and the sun keeps out and starts lowering and there's something wrong and you'll know it. She woke up the next day and decided to get up ready. So she looked at the painting. It looks weird. Is this a crab? Well, I'm just gonna go over here now. Choo choo, choo 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 choo. Come. She's not friendly to us. We don't know where she is. Hello, anyone here? They all left? Come on, gotta go sleep. I know, come on. go. How the stars go. This is how. This is how. This is how the story goes. Do you hate that I love you? Hate that I even loved you. Hate that I was in love with you. Hate that I even love. Hate that I fall in love with you. Hate that I even love you. Hate that I fall in love with you. Chuma, 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 chuma. I swear, I swear, I swear, I swear, I swear. If you touch my baby again, don't you want me like I let you, baby? Don't you eat me like I You touch my baby again, you hate with the Haitians. Think I'm missing the last of the nations. Think it's one for the bug is the big of the nations. They can think of them to the nations. Woo, woo, lad. Let's go. Let's go. You see, it's the desire. These heroes, titties on top. Daisy talks for titties on top. Daisy talks for titties on top. Daisy talks for titties on top. Daddy funny girls that unforgettable. Daisy talks for titties on top. Daisy talks for titties unforgettable. Whoa. Daisy on top, Daisy bunks and that the unforgettable Daisy bunks bikinis on top, Daisy bunks and that the unforgettable. Daisy puts the titties on top. Whoa. Daisy takes the titties on top. Daisy loves the unforgettable. Daisy books the light, the unforgettable. Daisy books the titties on top. Daisy looks the unforgettable. Daisy ducks the titties on the finger. Daisy ducks the titties on top. Daisy ducks the unforgettable. Daisy ducks the act of elbow. Daisy ducks the kitties on top. Daisy, you think you're really smart, right? You're sharing the money, you know that. So work harder, not smarter. Daisy thanks for Danny's on top. Daisy also just unforgettable. Top. Easy books to unforgettable. Easy book. A teeny is on top. Anyone want something from the store? Lazy Booty on crop. Daisy Boots selection of forgettable. What's she singing? She's so pathetic. She's literally so surprised that she has 0 subscribers. She's better. Card not smarter. Let's go get something for you from that shop. Hello, you got free stuff? Everything is free, ma'am. Just please do not touch my favorite bunny. My favorite cute hat. Please don't touch her. She's sensitive. I wanted the cute bunny. Anyways, come with me, my cutie. Loads of time unforgettable. Daisy does the deeds. Top. Daisy does the unforgettable. Daisy took the deeds. Daisy turns the unforgettable. Daisy bikinis on top. Daisy. Girl, sing louder! Daisy bikinis on top. Forgettable. Daisy looks like bikinis on top. Unforgettable. Daisy girl. Daisy dunks and he's on top. He's the night. Unforgettable. Daisy dunks bikinis on up. Daisy what a night. So unforgettable. Daisy dunks the deep and unforgettable. Daisy dunks bikinis on top. Daisy dunks the top. Unforgettable. Daisy dunks the top. Daisy. Unforgettable. Daisy takes the bikinis on. Bikinis on top. Daisy dunks the deep. What are you singing? Blah, blah, blah. What are you singing, bro? Singing nothing, right? What is that noise? I'm going to go ask the neighbor. Do you know what that noise is? I'm going to go ask this weird shop. You know what the noise is? I'm going to ask that door. No. I want to see a walking head, silly. Hello? Yes? We're just wondering, what's that noise? Oh, I'm just screaming at my buddy for hopping around the house. That's possible. Okay, bye, ma'am. She said her bunny was screaming the house. She keeps lying to everyone. I know it's about her daughter. Daisy dunks and teenies on top. Who likes the song over and over again? You're just being crazy. Guys, what are you guys doing here? part of your family. Confused! That's a prank! We gotta kill it! Kill it! Kill it! Go! Kill it! We're gonna be stuck with a killer meal forever. You go to grounded corner. Okay. Honey, take that. Take this and start recording, okay? Wow. Daisy votes the king's sons. Oh, that's so good. You're. What is happening? As you all the gold Daisy, 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 what a gold Daisy, big and gold Daisy, wanna gold. Easy queen of cold, easy conical. Breathe, breathe, Scarlet, breathe, breathe. Daisy puts the key on top. The teammates on top. Daisy wants the unforgettable Daisy just the key. How funny she writes. Writing down the notes. Daisy thinks the key. Get out!